you can see in the router I have got a console port, auxiliary port and the Ethernet ports. So when you buy a brand new router which does not have any configurations including the IP address, then you have to connect to the router using the console port to configure it. So what we will do is we will grab a straight through cable. The one end of the cable will go in the console port as like this, and the other end of the cable will go in the NIC card of your computer. So on the computer, you will go to your PuDDY or Hyper terminal. If you select PuDDY, you will select serial port over here, which will by default bring COM1 and speed 9600 bits per second. You open and you will be connected to your router. The other option that we have is we can go to Hyper terminal. So when I use Hyper terminal, I will give it a name of my project. Then you will select COM1 and the bits will be 9600 bits per second. Apply. Okay, and your router will start loading here. That's a one way. The other way is you can connect to your router using the telephone line. For that you will use the auxiliary port, which is just above the console port. And if your router you have configured it and you have assigned it IP addresses, then yes, you can connect it using the Ethernet ports, and the protocols you will use for that can be HTTP, Telnet or SSH. I hope this video guides you how you can connect through the router. Remember, some routers have console ports at the front of the router while some have at the back of the router. It depends on the model of the router. Thank you very much.